The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is about to take the compact camera world by storm, and here at Technology Review, we are diving into everything that makes this upgrade so exciting. While the Osmo Pocket series has always been beloved by vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers on the move, the Pocket 4 feels like a completely different beast. Rather than another slight bump in features, DJI seems to be aiming for a true revolution with the Pocket 4. The rumors and leaks surrounding this device suggest not just minor improvements, but massive changes that could reshape how creators think about portable videography. Starting with the design, DJI appears to be introducing a new form factor that is a touch larger and more robust. The Pocket 4 is reportedly coming in at around 190 grams, a noticeable step up from its predecessor, but one that comes with serious benefits. Early leaks hint at a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen display, up from the 2-inch screen on the Pocket 3. Resolution is expected to jump as well, with a 480 by 800 pixel panel capable of reaching 800 nits brightness, meaning visibility in direct sunlight should be vastly better. This is a big win for anyone who has struggled to frame shots during outdoor filming. Ergonomics seem to be another area of significant focus for DJI. New textured grips and smarter button layouts are expected to make the Pocket 4 easier and more comfortable to use over long periods. Filmmakers and vloggers who often shoot hours of footage will likely appreciate the improved handling. These small but thoughtful refinements show DJI's commitment to user experience, making the Pocket 4 not just more capable, but also much easier to live with day to day. When it comes to the internals, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a powerhouse. A new 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens could offer a substantial leap in image quality. A larger sensor brings better performance in low light conditions, greater dynamic range, and the ability to capture more detail. Whether shooting city streets at night or bright outdoor landscapes, users should see a dramatic improvement in clarity and color. The ISO range is another highlight. Reports suggest ISO settings from 50 up to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, giving creators much more flexibility across various lighting scenarios without overwhelming noise. Combined with the rumored 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M profile, and HDR video recording, the Pocket 4 could offer professional-grade footage in a truly tiny form factor. Color grading in post-production would be far richer and more dynamic thanks to these advances. Slow-motion enthusiasts have even more reason to get excited. The Pocket 3 already impressed with its 4K 120 frames per second slow-motion capability, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to double that, delivering 4K at a stunning 240 frames per second. If this materializes, it would open up new creative opportunities for capturing dramatic, cinematic action shots, whether it's athletes in motion, wildlife scenes, or even just creative vlogging moments. It is an upgrade that could seriously change the game for mobile filmmakers. Another crucial upgrade could be happening under the hood. A new, faster processor is reportedly in development for the Pocket 4. Faster processing would enable real-time HDR previews, improved computational photography, quicker autofocus, and even faster exporting and editing workflows. For creators who need to shoot, edit, and publish on tight schedules, this performance boost would be a major benefit. Speaking of autofocus, DJI seems to be addressing one of the most frequent complaints from previous models. The Pocket 4 is expected to introduce phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking technology. Faster, more accurate subject tracking would mean much fewer missed shots and less frustration, especially when recording moving subjects or shooting in crowded environments. Autofocus hunting could finally be a thing of the past on the Pocket 4. Active track technology is another area where DJI may be pushing the envelope. Reports suggest an upgrade to Active Track 7.0, bringing more intelligent subject recognition and smoother tracking. This would be a huge asset for anyone recording solo videos, action scenes, or any scenario where the camera needs to stay locked onto a moving target without manual intervention. If these upgrades hold true, it could make the Pocket 4 the best tracking camera in its class. Battery life is often a limiting factor in portable cameras, but DJI appears to be making strides here as well. Thanks to an improved power management system, the Pocket 4 could offer longer continuous shooting times, even with a larger display and more powerful processor. Fast charging capabilities are also rumored to improve significantly. Some sources claim that using DJI's new PD charger, users could fully recharge the Pocket 4 in just 25 minutes, an improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute full charge. This means less time tethered to an outlet and more time capturing the action. Heat management has been a problem for many compact cameras, especially when recording high-resolution video for extended periods. DJI may be addressing this with better internal cooling in the Pocket 4. Improved thermal efficiency could allow for longer recording sessions without the risk of overheating, making it a more reliable tool for professional and semi-professional work. Stabilization is another area where DJI continues to dominate, and it looks like the Pocket 4 will push things even further. Along with its mechanical gimbal system, the device is rumored to add advanced electronic stabilization algorithms. The combination could produce even smoother footage, particularly useful when filming fast-moving subjects or walking shots. Whether you're chasing your kids around a park or filming a travel vlog in a bustling city, the footage should stay buttery smooth. One of the hottest topics, of course, is price. With so many improvements, it is no surprise that the Pocket 4 could cost a bit more than the Pocket 3. Leaks suggest a starting price of $699 for the standard package and around $799 for a Creator Combo Edition that could include additional accessories like microphones, tripods, and lenses. For serious creators, the jump in price could be well justified by the huge advancements in functionality, quality, and usability. As for the release date, if DJI sticks to its usual product cycle, we might see the Pocket 4 land sometime in late 2026 or early 2027. Although that feels like a long wait, the upgrades being rumored make it sound like it could be absolutely worth it. A new gold standard for compact cameras could be right around the corner. Of course, these are all leaks and rumors for now, so we'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement to confirm every detail. However, even a portion of these upgrades would make the Pocket 4 one of the most compelling pieces of kit for creators looking for a portable but powerful solution. From the new sensor and screen to better stabilization and autofocus, everything points to a device built with serious content creation in mind. At Technology Review, we will be following every update on the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 closely.